Find the missing dimension of a rectangle given the perimeter. So these kind of problems usually look a little bit like this. You get given the perimeter. So in this case, let's say the perimeter is going to be 16 centimeters. Okay, so you'll also be given one of the lengths, or the length of one of the sides. So let's say it's this one over here, and let's say this one here is 2 centimeters. And that's how the problem tends to look, and you have to find the length of the missing side. So because we're talking about perimeter of a rectangle, we can use the formula that we have for perimeter of a rectangle and see what we can find out. So perimeter equals 2L plus 2 times W, right? Now let's plug in what we know and see where it leaves us. So we're given the perimeter. So the next line of working can look like this. We know what the perimeter is at 16, and that equals 2 times y, we don't know what the length is, plus 2 times 2. So in the next line down, it looked like this. 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times 2 is 4. So now it starts to look a little bit more familiar. So let's isolate the y if we can, so we'll get rid of the constant. So minus 4, that cancels out the plus 4 on this side, so we're left with 2y on the right, and on this side 16 minus 4, that's 12. Here we want to get rid of the timesing by 2, so we divide by 2, and we divide by 2 on both sides to keep the whole equation equal, and so that leaves us on this side with y, and on this side leaves us with 6, and we'll just swap these over so that the formatting is correct. Make sure we've included the units of measurement, and this should be the final answer, but we should check. So we're saying now that y is 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 2 centimeters. So you can do it like that. 6 plus 6 is 12, 2 plus 2 is 4, and that's 16. So that and that are correct, which means this must be correct.